2025 Prelim Catholic High School, Paper 1, Booklet A, Question 9. The square grid shows the position of 5 landmarks A, B, C, D, and E. Julian is standing at a location northwest of landmark D and east of a landmark A. In which direction is landmark C from Julian? Now let's fill this in. Okay. Julian is standing at a location northwest of landmark D. Landmark D is here. Okay, northwest direction is in this direction. Alright, so let's draw a line. Okay, this is northwest. So Julian is standing somewhere along this line and east of landmark A. This is A, and he's standing to the east of landmark A. Right? See the intersecting point? This is where Julian is. Right, now let's answer the question. In which direction is landmark C from Julian? Landmark C is here. Okay, which direction is this? This is northeast. Okay, our answer is option 1.